Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. In this insanely simple and short video, I will show how you can turn off flashlight on Huawei. So as you can see, my torch or my flashlight is currently active. So in order for me to switch it off, I gotta swipe downwards from the right half of status bar like that. Once the control panel launches, you gotta find the flashlight icon. Here it is in my case, but in your particular scenario, it can be deeper or buried deeper in the tiles list. So that means that you might have to expand it or just open it, and then just tap at the flashlight icon to turn the flashlight off. If it happens so that you do not have the flashlight icon over here, which I highly doubt, since it is always by default, but I mean, it can happen, you gotta tap at this icon over here, open the Edit Switches menu, find the flashlight icon amongst the unused shortcuts, and drag it from there to the list of available shortcuts, like I am dragging the Do Not Disturb mode tile. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.